Now, taking some more updates over the Omicron variant scare, a total of 12 Omicron suspects have been admitted in Delhi's Lok Nayak Jaiprakash Narayan Hospital in the past few days to curb any possible surge in the cases in the national capital. The Delhi airport authorities have now set up 20 dedicated counters for the passengers arriving from at-risk countries, having pre-booked their mandatory COVID-19 test as well. For more details on this, let me go across to my colleague Sumi on this broadcast. Sumi, now a major decision that has been taken by the Delhi authorities at the airport as well. We had been seeing that there was a level of overcrowding as well. And now, what are the measures that have been taken specifically by the administration to make sure that people from at-risk countries are fully screened?
Yes, absolutely, Priyanka. As you correctly pointed out, there have been 12 dedicated counters made at the Delhi airport to ensure that people and the passengers specifically arriving from the at-risk countries, which are more than 29 now, will have to go through their COVID tests, that is the RT-PCR tests. And once their reports will come positive, those samples will be sent out for the genome sequencing, which is a slow, tedious process. And till the reports come out negative, they won't be allowed to leave the Delhi airport. And in fact, all the positive cases will also be rushed to the Lok Nayak, that is the LNJP hospital, which is the dedicated COVID hospital here in the national capital. And once that is done, there are 50 beds at LNJP hospital. And in fact, if they get accommodated by the COVID patients, unfortunately, there is a 500-bed facility right opposite the LNJP hospital. And that's where the Ram Leela Maidan is. And at the Ram Leela Maidan, the 500-bed arrangement done by the LNJP hospital will certainly take care of the excess number of patients detected with the Omicron. And remember, this COVID variant has definitely given a lot of shivers to the medical experts around the globe, and which is why the Indian administration has been taking a lot of precautions in order to contain the Omicron variant, as the experts have been claiming that the transmissibility will be 5 times more than the Delta variant. And that's what one of the claims by the experts have come. So the Delhi administration as well as the central government has been very, very keen on saving the common citizens against the detection of Omicron. And in fact, the RT-PCR tests will also be conducted very, very thoroughly. Their screening will be done, and the necessary precautions are being taken in the national capital, be it with the wearing of masks or maintaining COVID-19 distance or maintaining the social distancing.
Well, yes, Sumi, they're breaking down some very important details about the decisions that have been taken by the Delhi authorities to make sure that there is no crowding as well, and to make sure that people who are coming in from the at-risk countries are fully screened, their test is done, and of course, if the tests have come positive for genome sequencing as well, their samples would be sent. For the moment, Sumi, thank you for bringing us those details from Delhi.